In this video, we're going to look at how to find stale accounts in Active Directory. The first thing we need to do is to define what stale actually means. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll consider an account stale if it's either disabled, or if its password has expired, or if its password has not been reset recently, or if the account hasn't been used to log in. Next, we'll define our maximum password age. This is going to be used to test how recently a password was reset, and we'll also use it to test when an account was last used to log in. We'll use our max password age to get a date-time object by subtracting our maximum age away from today's date. Now, we'll get our users from Active Directory. By default, the Get-ADUser commandlet does not include all of the properties we need to test all of our criteria for a stale account. We'll define the properties we use against the properties argument on Get-ADUser. Specifically, that's password last set, last logon date, and password expired. Now, we'll start filtering the objects coming from Get-ADUser. First, we'll check whether the account is currently disabled. And similarly, we'll check to see if the password has expired. Then, we'll compare the password last set property against our threshold to see if it's older or equal to our threshold date. And we'll also do the same for our last logon date, comparing that against our threshold. Finally, we'll pass our collection of stale users to select object so that we only see the SAM account name. We're doing this simply for readability purposes. If we now run our demonstration script, we can see the SAM account names of all of the stale users in our Active Directory domain. That's been how to find stale accounts in Active Directory. Thank you for watching.